Okay, here we are. Little birds need some water. Oh, here comes George. Nobody, you don't get to come in here. No. This is a quail coop, not a cat coop. Alright, we're getting all set up. Bringing my supplies in. Hello, guys. It is cold out here today. It is, 20, 25 maybe if we're lucky. Whew. Chilly. Chilly. Okay, we're still bringing in stuffs. Okay, I'm gonna get all set up. Oh. Let's see, what have I got for my little birds today? I brought them some seeds and some water. And it's also a seed, but we got some thistle seeds. So we haven't tried thistle seeds before. I think they'll like it. And we hear George back there squawking. He wants back in. He's doing his usual squawk to get in, squawk to get out. Yes, Mama, here I come. Yes, Mama, here I come. Okay, look out. I'm gonna break up our water. Okay. Oh, solid water over here. Throw it in the corner. Here we go, guys. I know you're thirsty. You want some water, huh? Rinse this out. Some of the sediment. Okay. That'll be good enough for you guys. Oh, George, you need to stop. Come on, get some water, guys. It's the first little girl. Thirsty girl, yeah. Yeah, George, I know, buddy. Okay, everybody gonna come down and get a drink. Come down and get a drink, guys. Here they come. There's seven. Seven came out. Stepping in the water. Hi, lady. Hi, ladybird. little ladybird. Two big ladies, one little lady. And my boys. The wild birds all of a sudden ceased making noise over there. I bet BB's over there. Oh, now they're making noise again. Okay, I think I'm going to set the camera down for a minute and get them some seeds and set up for some landscape shots.